Amazon has over 30 million books competing for attention. So how do you make sure yours doesn't get buried? In this video, I'll show you the 3 secrets that make sure your book actually stands out, gets clicks, and sales. And I'll walk you through each one step by step on screen. Sounds good? Let's dive right in. Secret number 1, positioning with categories and keywords. The first secret is positioning. If you pick the wrong categories or weak keywords, no one will ever find your book. Here's how to check. Type your main topic into Amazon search bar. Notice the auto suggestions? These are actual keyword phrases readers are searching right now. Next, I'll click into the bestseller list for my category. Watch how I scroll down and check the top 10 covers, titles, and subtitles. Look at how they're phrased. The goal isn't to copy, but to position yourself where readers are already looking. Now here's where ChatGPT comes in. I'll paste the keyword phrase into ChatGPT and ask it to generate 10 alternative subtitles packed with search intent. Within seconds, I have optimized options that still sound human and clickable. That brings me to secret number 2, covers that pop. The second secret is your cover. Readers don't read titles first. They see the image. A cover that looks homemade can sink your sales instantly. So here's the trick. I'll drop in a prompt to ChatGPT to create a cinematic cover concept with vivid imagery and color schemes. Now I'll grab one of those concepts and run it through Canva for finishing touches. Look how these immediately feel more professional than a blank white page with clip art. And the best part is, I can test variations quickly by swapping out backgrounds, fonts, and colors right inside of Canva. And finally, secret number 3, descriptions that sell. The third secret is your description. This is where most authors blow it. They write a boring paragraph that no one reads. Let's pull up a competitor's book and look at their description. See how it uses bullet points, bolding, and emotional hooks? That's not an accident. It's a sales page, not just a blurb. Now, I'll hop into ChatGPT and paste my topic with the instruction, write a keyword-rich, persuasive book description in the style of a sales page. Look at this. Subheadings, benefit-driven sentences, and a call to action. All I need to do is polish it, then paste it into my KDP description box. Within minutes, I have copy that converts. So there you have it. 3 secrets to standing out on Amazon. Smart positioning with keywords and categories, a cinematic cover that grabs attention, and a description that generates sales. And here's the thing. Inside my course, I walk you through every step of this process, from publishing to scaling to multiple income streams. If you're serious about making your book stand out, the link is below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.